What is that?
A mixer.
A mixer? What is he mixing?
Play-Doh.
Oh. What are you going to do with the mixed Play-Doh?
I don't know.
Huh.
It's called a Durango.
You're going to put it in the hole the excavator made?
No, not yet. Am I gonna make a big hole?
Okay.
Why is seashell in here?
I don't know why there's a seashell in there. I wonder who put it in there. Could it have been you?
No, Mommy did.
You think Mommy did it?
Yes. And this called a thing.
What is that one called?
I don't know.
It looks like it might shoot water or something. I'm not sure.
I want it.
We'll go get it. Is it stuck?
Yes.
The excavator has to dig it out.
Yes.
Man, that's a good excavator. The excavator is digging. Trying to save the truck. Is he done?
Yes.
Is it getting out? Yes! It worked. Vroom, vroom. The truck is saved.
What are we gonna do? I don't know.
Are the trucks talking to each other?
Yeah.
Okay, I like it.
I don't know.
What is the excavator saying?
We need to dig a big drain hole.
Ooh, I like that. That's probably what an excavator would say.
And we need to do dig seashells. Okay? We need to get trucks inside. Signs up, signs up, signs up. Oh, there we go.
What do you think the mixer says? It's time to mix something?
Yes, it is. Time to mix your food. Gotta hands suck. Hands suck.
Now the mixer's stuck.
Yes.
Okay, here comes the excavator again. Dig, 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 dig. Ooh, it looks like he's getting in it.
Hands still suck.
He's still stuck, oh no! Dig some more, excavator. Now you think he's gonna get out?
Yes.
Let's see. Vroom, vroom, vroom. He made it. Awesome. Now he can go back to mixing.
And him making a hole.
The excavator's still digging, isn't he?
You know, like,
Good job. All right. Tell everybody bye.
bye.
See you later, alligator.
See you later, alligator.
After a while, crocodile.
I don't want to.
I love you.